again in chemistry world. In today's session, I am going to discuss about trick to find out percentage mass of an element in a compound. The systematic study of a compound is possible by knowing its chemical formula. For this, we can determine the amount of that substance by the chemical analysis of defined amount. The obtained results are expressed in terms of percentage composition. So the mass of the element in gram present in 100 gram of the compound is known as percentage mass of an element. So mathematically, percentage mass of an element is equal to mass of the element in 1 mole of the compound divided by molar mass of compound into 100. For example, percentage composition of methane, we know that molar mass of methane is 16.03232 gram mole inverse. We know that atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008. Therefore, molar mass of methane is equal to 16.032 gram mole inverse. And 1 mole of methane contains 1 mole of carbon, mean 12 gram of carbon, and 4 moles of hydrogen, mean 4.032 gram of hydrogen. Thus, mass percentage of carbon in methane is equal to mass of carbon in methane into 100 divided by molar mass of methane. So, when put all these values in the formula, 12 upon 16.032 into 100, resultant value is 74.85%. Similarly, mass percentage of hydrogen is equal to mass of hydrogen in 1 mole of methane into 100 divided by molar mass of methane is equal to 4.032 into 100 divided by 16.032. Resultant value of mass percentage of hydrogen is 25.15%. Now next example, percentage composition of glucose. We know that molar mass of 1 mole of glucose is 180 gram. We know that atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and oxygen have 16 gram. Therefore, 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. Resultant value of molar mass of glucose is 180 gram. We know that 1 mole of glucose contains 72 grams of carbon, 12 grams of hydrogen and 96 grams of oxygen. Therefore, mass percentage of carbon is equal to 72 into 100 divided by molar mass of glucose, mean 180. Resultant value is 40%. Similarly, for hydrogen, mass percent of hydrogen is equal to 12 into 100 divided by 180. Resultant value is 6.67%. And similarly for oxygen, mass percent of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen in 1 mole of glucose into 100 divided by molar mass of glucose. So 96 into 100 divided by 180, resultant value is 53.33%. The sum of the mass percentage of all elements in a compound, 1 mole of the compound is equal to always 100. We can say that in other word, 40 plus 6.67 plus 53.33 is equal to 100. Always be 100. If results of percentage composition obtained from the chemical analysis are available, then we can determine the molecular formula easily. For this, we determine the empirical formula, and I have been already prepared a video on determine molecular formula by its empirical formula. If you didn't watch the video, you should watch the video. Now, we will take some multiple choice type question set. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is 1 mole of water always contains option A 1 mole of hydrogen and 2 moles of oxygen, option B 2 moles of hydrogen and 2 moles of oxygen, C 1 mole of oxygen and 2 moles of hydrogen, and D none of the above. So answer will be according to laws of chemical combination in a compound, each element combines in a fixed ratio by mass. Therefore, 1 mole of oxygen and 2 moles of hydrogen present in 1 mole of water. Therefore, answer will be option C. 1 mole of oxygen and 2 moles of hydrogen present in 1 mole of water. According to laws of chemical combination, very important. Now, second question, mass percentage of oxygen in potassium chloride is option A, B, C and D. So answer will be molar mass of potassium chloride is equal to 122.5 gram. We know that atomic mass of potassium is 39 gram, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 and oxygen is 16. Therefore, molar mass of potassium chloride is equal to 122.5 gram, and in 1 mole of potassium chloride there are 3 moles of oxygen are present. So mass percent of oxygen is equal to 48 into 100 divided by 122.5. Resultant value is 39.20. So answer will be option B. Now next third question. Mass percent of aluminium in Al2O3 is option A, B, C and D. Very important question. So answer will be, we know that molar mass of Al2O3 is equal to 102. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27U and oxygen is 16. Therefore, molar mass of Al2O3 is equal to 102 gram. So, mass percentage of aluminium is equal to 54. In 1 mole of Al2O3, 54 gram aluminium is present. 2 mole means 54. 54 into 100 divided by molar mass of Al2O3, aluminium oxide 102, resultant value is 52.9%. So answer will be option D, 52.9%. Next, fifth question, fourth question. Mass percent of hydrogen in blue vitriol copper sulfate CuSO4 5H2O is option A, B, C and D. Very important question. So answer will be, we know that molar mass of 1 mole of CuSO4 5H2O is 249.5 gram. Atomic mass of copper is 63.5, sulfur is 32 gram, oxygen is 16 and molar mass of water is equal to 18 gram. So molar mass of CuSO4 5H2O is 249.5 gram. Therefore, mass percent of hydrogen is equal to 10 into 100 divided by 249.5. Resultant value is 4.01%. So answer will be option A. And last question is 17 gram ammonia always contains 3 gram of hydrogen. And option A, B, C and D. Very important question. According to laws of chemical combination, in 1 mole of ammonia, 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen are present. So option A, 1 mole of nitrogen. Option B, 14 gram nitrogen. We know that 1 mole of nitrogen means 14 gram. And option C, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of nitrogen. We know that 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. And option D, all. So answer will be option D, all. Hopefully guys, you have enjoyed the excellent trick of percentage mass of an element in a compound. Thanks for watching the video.